about the Oilseo, Oilsao, I believe. This one here sits on the countertop. It's got a good design to it. I think it feels pretty well made and sturdy. It's got these suction cups on the bottom here that will allow it to stick right to your bathroom countertop. And a couple good design elements. Right inside the top here, you've got holders for the toothbrush head, for the water flosser heads. Those fit. Organize them right inside the top so you're not losing them or looking for them. So that's good. This pops off. Water goes in here. The tank also comes completely off in case you want to put it underneath the spout in your bathroom. And then this flossing water flosser actually connected with the hose. So this had good power. The electric toothbrush, I believe it charges while it's in this holder right here. So all in one, everything is compact and well designed. This is kind of large to sit on your countertop if you have space, no big deal, but really not meant for traveling. Plugs into the wall and sits there for home use. Comes with 3 different water flosser heads. It's got kind of a shovel scoop head and then 2 what look to be the same style of water flossers. This one I think is meant for multiple people to use it so that you don't have to be reusing the same water flossers in your mouth. This one comes with 4 different electric toothbrush heads. No irrigation coming from the electric toothbrush. Obviously, it's not connected to the tank and therefore no water coming through there. The last one over here, the 2-in-1 oral cleaning kit. Nice design to it. I like this one for a gift. I think it has a really good presentation to it. It comes when you open it, if you want to look at the other video on the page of this one specifically. So you've got your charging station for the electric toothbrush here. It sits up on top of the countertop. It's got the power cord. This one comes with 6 different toothbrush heads. As you can see when I pull this out, nice travel case there, a couple different toothbrush heads. Nice, pretty nice ergonomic design to this one. Feels pretty well made and sturdy in your hand. And the charging station is a base that it sits in, so it will sit upright once you have the base plugged into the wall. So that's got a nice presentation to it. And then this carrying case is pretty slick. It's got the brush for cleaning out the water tank inside. So nice big water flosser here. Fits nicely in my big hand, and it's got the different irrigation hoses for the top. 4 different styles of irrigators that lock onto the top there, and so pretty good design. Not super well made. You can tell upon close examination that it's decent, but it's not super high end. It's got a little bit of that plasticky kind of feel to it, but in the test, it did really well. Okay, this is the 2-in-1 Oral Clean Kit, water, dental flosser, and electric toothbrush combo, brushing and flossing for teeth cleaning and gum health black from Huaco Care Store. Toothbrush user manual, water flosser user manual, toothbrush heads. Looks like the charging base. Here's a wall plug, 2 more toothbrush heads. And 2 more toothbrush heads. And the body of the toothbrush right here. Here we have the water flosser. Looks like a cleaning brush. Here are the irrigation tools. So 4 different kinds of irrigation tools. Small, large, pick. of all different shapes and sizes. Here's the power cord. Here is the body of the irrigator. Okay, cool design. There you go, there's power. Turn left to lock the nozzle. Let's first check out the electric toothbrush. Put that on there. Slides on nice and easy. And fire it up. We have clean, white, polish, gum care. All right, great. And the battery indicator is flashing on and off there, green. So each one of these has their own frequency and rhythm to it. So this would be the charger for this. Sits right on there and charges, and the power goes right into the back of there. So pretty slick little setup in terms of the charging apparatus. Let's give the irrigator. So this brush is going to be for cleaning the inside of here. Push down on here. Tank comes out. In order to fill, you don't have to take the tank out. It opens on the bottom. So let's go ahead and put some water into there. Nice. Closes nice and tight. No water leaking out. That's good. Let's try this irrigator here. As you can see, it's got the very small nozzle on it. So turn to lock the nozzle. So down and locked. Okay. So twist it clockwise to lock it into place. And there you have it. So here we are. Let's go ahead and power it up. Cool. So I'm toggling through the different modes here. So it looks like it starts on high, low, pulse, and there's a battery symbol right there with the push of a button here. So make sure that obviously the end of the hose is getting to the water. And once that's good, we know. And so this spout is actually, it's got good power, good stream right there. And looks like a nice device. Okay, we're leaking a little bit here. So not sure what that's about. Maybe you want to make sure that you hold it upright so that the water doesn't leak out of the top where this hose comes in, because there is just a hole at the top. So this is meant to be in the upright position. So there you have it. Big body to this, not too heavy, sturdy, decently ergonomic. It's got a little bend to it that fits in the palm of your hand. With these different irrigation heads, looks like you're going to have a lot of options in terms of teeth cleaning. Nice presentation here. This would be very nice to receive this as a gift. It's got this great carrying case right here. I would say it's not super well made. You can see that it's a little poorly made, but decent for the price range. And lots of different options, and it seems like it works really well. So here's your power cord right here, and lots of different options for tooth cleaning, and everything you need in one kit that all packs up nice. This one fits inside here. Close that up. Does that also fit inside this case? So it looks like everything will fit inside this carrying case. If you want to travel with it, this is your one case for your irrigator and your electric toothbrush.